Megan here. Before we start, I would like to begin with a food for thought. Can you recall exactly what topic and insights that your lecturer have taught you last semester? And to double down on that, think how much information you have actually absorbed and digested. To touch base on what I've mentioned, learning and memory are the fundamental elements of psychology that impact humans' behavior and cognitive processes. Learning involves the acquisitions of new skills, new knowledge, or behavior, while memory refers to the retention and the recall of that information. These processes play a vital role in how individuals engage with their environment, make decisions, and adapt to new circumstances. So today, we will be reviewing the principle of learning and memory, starting from Ivan Pavlov, who discovered the groundbreaking studies on classical conditioning. Ivan Pavlov was primarily interested in studying the digestive system of dogs. During his experiments, he noticed that they salivate slightly before their food arrived. This led him to discover that dogs had learned to associate bell sound with approaching food. His theory of classical conditioning is based on the idea of an organism can learn to associate a neutral stimulus with something meaningful. Through repeated pairing of these stimuli, an automatically response can be elicited. For instance, just hearing the sound of a bell can make the dog salivate. The principles of classical conditioning can be applied in many contexts, such as therapy and marketing. Therapists can use classical conditioning to help individuals conquer their fear and phobias, while marketers can pair their product with positive stimuli to create lasting memories in the customer's mind. Well, classical conditioning is just one type of learning and memory study in psychology. Another crucial of conditioning involves operant conditioning, which involves changing behavior based on its consequences. Operant conditioning involves rewarding and punishing behavior, which influences its likelihood of reputation in the future. Positive reinforcement is commonly employed to motivate people towards learning new skills, while negative punishment serves to deter people from engaging in harmful behaviors. Some of us might actually know that human and animal actually share many similarities in terms of learning and memory processes. You might be surprised to know that even the most complex form of human learning and memory are actually rooted in the basic processes that underlie animal learning and memories. To further elaborate, both humans and animals are capable of both classical conditioning and operant conditioning. For example, a child may learn to associate the sound of a doorbell with the arrival of a visitor, and learn to clean their room in order to avoid punishment, while a dog may learn to associate the sound of a can opener with the arrival of food, and a rat may learn to press a lever in order to receive a food reward. Despite the similarities, one of the key differences is that humans have a greater capacity for complex learning and memory processes compared to animals. We are capable of abstract thinking, language, and a higher level reasoning, which a lot more complex form of learning and memory. Well, don't you think it's fascinating to understand human mind, behavior, and learning the important implications of it? Through this, the area of study will continue to evolve and shape our understanding of psychology. In conclusion, Ivan Pavlov's research and experiment on classical conditioning provided us a clear example on how association can be formed between stimuli, and this association can affect behaviors. By understanding the principle of learning and memory, we can better comprehend how humans and animals learn and adapt to their environment and help individuals acquire new skills and behavior. Thank you.